So what do you guys think of this weather?
It's too much. We just came here to pick up something, and I guess we should have avoided it altogether by staying home. Really, it was not worth it.
It's pretty crazy. I was outside at like 5 this morning, and so this is a little scary.
It's wonderful, I love it. I miss this, I'm from Vancouver, it's so nice to see the snow and see how people come out and don't get slowed down by it. Transit was really good.
And transit worked, which never happens in Vancouver. Ever.
It's bad, but we don't really mind it.
We're actually coming from Ottawa.
Yeah, we drove all the way from Ottawa just to come shopping today.
See that? We're dedicated. Storm means nothing to us.
Yeah, exactly.